What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Just doing a little tour of my 5-drawer US General toolbox. So starting up front, I just got some stickers, my stuff, what's called YouTube channel, some other stuff. I got just some basic SAE 3/8 impact shorts from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh brand. In the middle, I got extensions and some picks in there, the Icon, and I got a Braun green light. And then over in the right corner, I got Icon, like the miniature screwdrivers. And then over here, this is Icon 3/8 standard, just standard short. Then I got Pittsburgh and miscellaneous, a Craftsman, some Icon swivel, then Pittsburgh 1/4 inch, Craftsman short. And then I got Icon, what's it called, Torx, Icon adapters, Icon metrics hex bits, Icon 3/8 swivels, metric anyways. Then 1/4 inch, got Craftsman short, then Pittsburgh deep, then 3/8 chrome. I got Icon short, Icon deep, and 3/8 impact that I use. I like using the impact 3/8. Short and deep, short, deep, Icon. And I got Klein tools. I got these, just limited edition. I like these. I used them already. I got rid of my Icon screwdrivers, except one that I had an extra one at. I got a Tekton flathead, Icon brand new flathead, Mac flathead, then just a Cobalt bit driver, Duralast scraper, Quinn long pry bar. Then I got Icon 1/2 inch standard length, extra long. And in this drawer, I got a snap-on ratchet right there. I got a Pittsburgh 1/2 inch standard, 3/8 long handle flex head, a 1/4 inch Icon Gen 1 ratchet swivel head. Then I got this kit from Menards. It was like $16.99, so I got it just so I have all the things if I need. 1/4 inch Craftsman that I cut down to make it stubby. Then a some MPP is the brand. I got this from the Autorama in Detroit at the Autorama show. And the next drawer, electricals, mostly just all electrical besides these little bits of miscellaneous stuff. I just got this box last week when it was on sale. I think it was Tuesday, And in this drawer, I got all my pliers. I just threw in some extra pliers that I need. I'll have to figure out another way, but just for the night, I just threw these in here. Mostly Icon, 90% Icon. Couple gear wrenches, some Klein locking pliers, Cobalt locking pliers, Pittsburgh cutters, Craftsman cutters, gear wrench. I have one snap-on like water pump spring pliers right there, and that's it. Gear wrench, and that's it for that. Then in my next drawer here, all Icon bits. I got Icon metric and standard ratcheting. I'm just missing a 10 mil out of this set, out of the metric. And I got these at a yard sale. I got this at a yard sale, 13-15 double-sided Icon ratchet. I got this at the flea market, Matco 15 with an end on it. And I got these at what's called Duralast. These are AutoZone brand. I had to make a custom one where I welded an extension to the base of it. I have it actually right here, and I couldn't use every time I try to use it without it being welded, it doesn't look pretty. But I was using it for power steering pump, and this is Duralast was the only brand that I didn't want to spend $1,000 on buying the set, so it worked for what I needed. So good brand. Pittsburgh, most common 10 and 12 line pliers, and Icon ratcheting, what's it called, SAE. And in my next drawer, I have all my power tools. Let's see, you got 3/8 DeWalt 1/4 inch impact driver, 1/2 inch impact, 12 volt, 20 volt, 20 volt, then 20 volt DeWalt drill, the oil hammer. I had a $15 coupon, you know, like special to email to me, so I used that to get that and something else. Then I got some miscellaneous bits. I got the 10mm socket set that they have at Harbor Freight. Just some of my most common stuff. And the Quinn deep, or no, not deep, shallow socket set. I already lost my 21. I just had to replace it with a generic Chrome 21 because I don't know where or how to get it replaced. And in the bottom, I have shop towels. I didn't put the end on the cart here. I got a what's called bolt tight wheel puller, pulley set, Icon snap ring plier set, and this Pittsburgh or whatever brand it is tie rod separator. It works good. And I got a universal, what's it called, like the Master Icon U-joint press kit. That thing works good. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and we will go over more stuff next time. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you.